Hello everyone, welcome to Live Mathematics. This is Alok Kumar Sinha and today we will solve the problem of exercise 6.3 of NCERT. So let us start. In question number 1, we have to state which pair of triangles are similar. Also, we have to write the criteria of similarity and triangles which are similar in symbolic form. Okay, so first figure is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. (40°, 60°, 80°. This is 40°, this is 60°, and this angle is 80°. So we clearly see that angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. So these two triangles are equiangular, and we know that equiangular triangles are similar. So we write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A equal to angle P, 60°, angle B equal to angle Q, 80°, and angle C equal to angle R, 40°. Therefore, we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by angle similarity. Question 2. Second question of question number 1. Triangle ABC. Here we have triangle ABC, ABC, 2, 3 and 2 pi, 2, 3 and 2.5, and other triangle is triangle PQR, P, Q and R, 4, 5 and 6. So we see that QR is twice of AB, PQ is twice of AC, and PR is twice of BC. So clearly these sides are proportional. So we write in triangle ABC and triangle QPR, because 2 and 4, ratio of 2 and 4 is equal to 2.5 and 5 and 3 to 6. Therefore, AB and QR are corresponding sides. PR is corresponding sides of BC and PQ is corresponding sides of AC. So we write here AB by QR equal to 2 by 4. This is 1 by 2. Similar equal to BC by RP. BC by RP equal to 2.5 by 5. This is also 1 by 2 and equal to CA by PQ. CA by PQ. 3 by 6, this is also 1 by 2. So we say that AB by QR corresponding sides are in same ratio. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Question number 3. LMP. Question number 3. LMP triangle. Given triangle is LMP and DEF and DEF. DEF 2.7. This is 2.7. This is 2. This is 3. And similarly, this is 4. This is 4. 4, 5, and 6. So here we see that 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 1 by 2, and 2.7 and 5. If we take ratio of 2.7 and 5, then it is not equal to 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. So these triangles are not similar. So we say that MP by DE, MP by DE, PL, MP by DE, MP by DE equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. PL by DF. PL by DF is also 1 by 2. But LM by EF. LM by EF equal to 2.7 by 5. So this is not equal to 1 by 2. So we can say that corresponding ratio of corresponding sides are not equal. Therefore, triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF. Question number, figure number 4. Figure number 4. M N L and PQR. PQR. So this is 2.5, 2.5. This is 5, and this angle is 70 degree. Similarly, this side is 5, 10, and this angle is 70 degree. So we see that 2.5 to the 5. So ratio of this side and this side is 1 by 2. Similarly, 5 to the 10. So ratio of this side and this side is 1 by 2. So MN by PQ equal to ML by QR. So ratio of two sides are equal, and including angle we see that including angle is also equal. So this triangle is similar to this triangle by SAS similarity. So we write in triangle write NML and triangle. ये इंक्लूडिंग एंगल जो है वो इस तरह से है NML, और इसका इंक्लूडिंग एंगल कैसे है PQR. तो वी राइट ट्रायंगल PQR. नाउ राइट NM by PQ equal to 2.5 by 5 equal to 1 by 2. Also ML by QR equal to 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2. So we see that triangle NML, in triangle NML and PQR, ratio of two sides are equal, and including angle M equal to including angle M and including angle of this triangle is angle Q equal to 70 degree. So there we can say that triangle NML similar to triangle PQR. NML similar to PQR by SAS. By SAS similarity. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. A, B, C, and second one is DEF. D, E, and F. Length is given 2.5 and 3, and this is 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Including angle, not including angle, this is 80 degree and this is 80 degree F. So we see that 3 2 6 and 2.5 2 5. So ratio of these two sides, ratio of AB to DF and BC to FE are same, 1/2. But including angle for this triangle is this 80 degree. But this is not including angle of triangle ABC because it does not comes between DA and BC. This will be including angle and it is not given. So this triangle is not similar by any criteria. So we find AB by DF equal to BC by FE. Both are equal to 1/2. 2.5 to 5 and 3 to 6. But including angle for this, including angle is B and it is not given. So B is not equal to angle F. So we can write triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. And last one, question number 6. Triangle PE and DEF. Triangle, given triangle is DEF and PQR, and triangle PQR. This is 70 degree, this is 80 degree, this is 80 degree, and this is 30 degree. So we see that E equal to angle Q and F is not known, but we can find angle F. Angle F equal to 180 minus sum of other two angles, 80 plus 70. 80 plus 70. It gives 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Now we can say that this angle is equal to Q, E is equal to Q and F is equal to R. So by AA similarity, this triangle is similar to this triangle. So in triangle DEF and triangle PQR, angle E equal to angle Q. Both are equal to 80 degree. Also F equal to R. Angle F equal to angle R. Both are equal to 30 degree. You can also find this angle P. P is equal to 70 degree because 80 plus 30, 110. 110 subtract from 180, it gives 70 degree. But not necessary. If we have two angles are equal in two triangle, then we can say that they are similar by AA similarity. So triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR by AA similarity. So this is the solution of question number 1. I hope all of you understand that how we can similar one triangle to another triangle by criteria AAA, angle, side 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 and side angle side. So this is all for today. In my next video we have we are going to solve next question. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.